By the end of this week, the Department of Education will have approved applications of 16 million Americans and sent the necessary paperwork to student loan servicers. And the last step before the 16 million Americans can have their loan discharged. That's 16 million people who will be hearing from the Department of Education that they've been approved and who should be seeing relief in the coming days. But it's temporarily on hold. Why? Well, because Republican members of the Congress and Republican governors are doing everything they can, including taking us to court to deny the relief and even to their own constituents. As soon as I announced my administration's plan for student debt, they started attacking it, even though I ran on it and everybody knew what I was going to do. Their outrage is just simply wrong. I'm never going to apologize for helping working middle-class families as they recover from the economic crisis created by a pandemic. Folks here in Florida, you need to know this, and I mean it sincerely. You need to know this. Because of your own senator, Senator Rick Scott, I have the brochure here he has. Quote, all federal legislation sunsets, means goes out of existence in 5 years. And then along came Senator Johnson from Wisconsin. He says 5 years is too long to wait. No, it's hard to believe. No, I really mean it. It's hard to believe. He says that's too long. Every year, every single year it should be on the chopping block, along with veterans benefits and everything else in the federal budget. If Congress doesn't vote affirmatively to keep it, it goes away, gone. You've been paying the Social Security your whole life. You earned it. Now these guys want to take it away. Who in the hell do they think they are? Excuse my language.